guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for panna cotta. This is one of the most popular Italian desserts and it's perfect for Valentine's Day. It is super simple and easy. Here you'll need some unflavored gelatin, some vanilla extract, sugar, and heavy whipping cream. You cannot use milk here. Heavy whipping cream. Let's get started. So to begin, you want to add about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of water in a bowl, and we will add our unflavored gelatin here. We'll allow it to dissolve, give it like a few minutes or so, allow it to dissolve, and it will become like a jelly. In a medium-sized pot, I did add my heavy cream, and all of the correct measurements and ingredients will be listed down below. I will now add my sugar, give it a good stir, and we'll allow this to come up to a simmer. You do not want it to boil, you just want it to simmer. So once the bubbles start forming around the edges of the pot, that's when you turn your heat off. You know, panna cotta means cooked cream. So this is what it really is. And you want to use cream here and not milk, or else you will not get that richness and creaminess of the dessert that you need. Once we turn our heat off, we will now add that gelatin here. We will add the gelatin and give it a good mix, allowing it to dissolve into the cream. And then we'll add our vanilla extract for flavor. We will remove this from the heat and we will allow it to cool a bit before transferring it to our, serving bowls or whatever. But you want to strain this first so that if there's any gelatin that did not dissolve or whatever, you can get rid of that. You just want a nice smooth texture and consistency. So here I have 2 dessert glasses and I have 2 ramekins. These are just the choices you can use to set and serve your panna cotta in. Now I preferably like to use the glass because it's so easy. You can serve it up in there. You don't have to remove it. You can also serve it up in the ramekins, but the glass looks more elegant and stuff, especially for a special occasion. So we will pour our contents into the glass. And the ramekins, you don't want to fill it all the way up. You have to save a space for your strawberry sauce. So you fill it almost to the top, but not fully. And we will cover these with some plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for about 8 hours to overnight. If you're doing this for Valentine's Day, you might as well just do it a day ahead. Do it the day before and let it sit overnight so it can set really well. And it's also easier for you because you don't have to, do everything in one day. You can cook your dessert the day before and do your dinner on the day of. So we'll place this in the fridge and then I'll show you guys how they turn out once they're all set. Now let's make a strawberry sauce to go with our dessert. Here I have some granulated sugar, I have fresh strawberries and some raspberries at the bottom. I'll be using vanilla extract, lemon juice, and some cornstarch. In a small saucepan, I did add my berries and now I'll add my sugar and the lemon juice. We'll give it a good mix, making sure that everything is well incorporated. I did add a pinch of salt off camera because as you know, when you're making anything sweet, salt balances everything out. So you need like a pinch of salt, like 1/4 teaspoon or so. And we'll allow this to just cook here on the heat until our strawberries are nice and soft. It will create its own juices. And then we will thicken up the juices later on with the cornstarch. And we'll add some flavoring and that's it. Super simple and easy. So once your strawberries become nice and soft and it has its juices going, we will now add the cornstarch to thicken up those juices. And that will give us a nice, delicious and yummy strawberry sauce. The last thing we'll add is our vanilla extract for flavor, which is completely optional. You don't have to add it. And that's it, guys. That's how you make this simple and easy, delicious strawberry sauce that goes well with our panna cotta. We will set this aside and allow it to cool off. Once it cools, it will become even more thick and perfect for our dessert. We'll place it in the fridge until we're ready for it later. So after about 7 or 8 hours, guys, this is how our panna cotta is looking. You know, I couldn't wait. Like, I couldn't wait to dig in here, trust me. I make this all the time at home and we absolutely love it. For a dessert that's so simple and easy, it's very, very delicious. So now I will show you guys how I actually present this, and it's super simple as well. All I do is add my strawberry sauce right over top there. Right in that space, I add the sauce, and then I like to put a dollop of whipped cream and a sprig of mint. And that's it. That's how simple it is to just present it right in the glass. And your guests will be amazed. They will literally be asking you for the recipe after this. Trust me. It is so rich, creamy, and it is super elegant. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Once I'm done here, I'll show you guys how I present the other one in the ramekin. That's not my favorite actually, because getting it out of that ramekin to begin with is a job by itself. So, you know, but if that's all you have to go with it. You can also present it right in the ramekin, but you don't see the beauty because the ramekin is white and you don't see what's in it until you actually dig in with a spoon. So for this one, you want to get a knife or anything sharp and run it right around the edges. Just lifting it, you know, from off that ramekin. And once we got it all lifted off, we will turn it upside down and just gently tap on the top of it to allow it to fall into the plate. And once it falls in the plate, we'll go ahead and add our strawberry right around it, and we will place some on top of it, and then we'll add a sprig of mint, and that's how I present it. Super simple and easy. And here you have it, guys, my version of panna cotta. It's so quick and easy, simple to make. Anyone can do this. It is perfect for like your Sunday dinners, Valentine's Day, or any day actually, because I make it all the time and my family absolutely love it. I know you guys will love it too. But let's just take a look at how delicious this is. The texture, it's so smooth and creamy and so rich, and it's not too sweet. Now you can sweeten this to your own liking. You can add as much or as little sugar as you like and enjoy. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!